2013 GMC 1500 CR 4x4. But this isn't your ordinary GMC. This one has the GFX Ultimate Conversion package. They've went in and taken the GMC and put in a premium build. Even looking at the pinstriping you see there, it has their special Ultimate logo right into it. It's got the tonneau cover. It's got the Ultimate badging throughout the truck. It has the Rhino liner, spray and bed liner, which is seen as one of the best in the industry. It features the Katskin Leather seating all throughout the truck. Just a top grain leather. Real supple, real nice. It's got the moonroof. And it has your standard equipment like power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, heated seats. But once again, that's not where it stops. If you look inside, in all the inlays, they went through and put in the special GFX conversion, so they all kind of match that Katskin leather seating in through the dash, the doors, the steering wheel. It's got navigation, it has CD player, so the truck is hard loaded. All the equipment you could ever ask for in just a beautiful package, and very good miles on the truck. If you'd like to take a test drive, come to 4562 State Avenue in Billings, Montana, or if you have any questions, give us a call at 406-896-9833.